Hello students, how are you? Hope you are going on well. In Vedic mathematics, we have discussed various methods. So multiplication with 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 we have discussed in the previous class. In today's class, multiplication any number with 21, 31, 41, 51, 91, same procedure. Look at this problem once. So first what should you do, put one 0 here and round up this number. Arrow backward you should keep now. In the previous class we kept forward arrow. Now backward. How? First we have to multiply 3 into 8. I will write first step here. 3 into 8. Next 3 into 7 plus 8. 3 into 7 plus 8. Next 3 into 4 plus 7. 3 into 4 plus 7. I am writing the procedure here. So this way we have to multiply. 3 into 6 plus 4. Okay. Last 3 into 0 plus 6. 3 into 0 plus 6. Okay. This way we have multiplied. So how many steps we are getting? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. 6 digits are there. 6 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. Is that clear? Now everybody knows 8 3s are 24, 3 7s are 21 plus 8, 29, 3 4s are 12 plus 7, 19, 3 6 are 18 plus 4, 22, 6. Now balance this. 6, 2, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 plus 2, 9 again 11, 3 plus 4, 7, 2. 271126 is the answer. Clear? So this is the way we have to multiply. Let us see that math problem also. First what did I tell you? Put one 0 there at the end of given number. Round up this one. We don't want that. Put backward arrow always. Okay. Now first we have to multiply 9 into 4. Right? 9 into 4. Next 9 into 6 plus 4. 9 into 6 plus 4. Next 9 into 8 plus 6. Okay. 9 into 4 plus 8. Okay. Next 9 into 0 plus 4. 9 into 0 plus 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Because we are given 6 digits here. 36, 9 6 are 54 plus 4, 58, 9 8 are 72 plus 6, 78, 36 plus 8, 44, 4. So balance this. 4, 0, this is also 4, 8 plus 4 how much? 12, 1 will be carried here, 8 plus 8, 16, again 6 plus 6, 12, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 to 6, 244 is the answer. Okay, this is the way we have to multiply. Let us see one more. You have to practice many problems, then you can be perfect this method. Okay, let us see one more. 33993. 33993 into 31. Okay, this how to do it. Look at. First what did I tell you? Add one 0 there and round up this one. Put backward arrow. Okay, multiply like this. 3 3s are 9. Means 3 into 3. I will write the step here. 3 into 3. Next 3 into 3 plus 3. Backward you must come. Next 3 into 9 plus 3. Next 3 into 9 plus 9. Okay. Next 3 into 3 plus 9. Next last 3 into 0 plus 3. Backward you should come. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 plus 3 12. 9 3s are 27 plus 3 30. 9 3s are 27 plus 9 36. 3 3s are 9 plus 9 18. 3. Balance this 3 8 7 3 5 10. 105 3783 is the answer. Okay. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. 6 plus 1, 7 digits are there. We have to get 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. Is that clear? Look at one more problem. 7339. 7339. 7339 into 51. Now look at this. What did I tell you first? First what should you do? Put one 0 there, round up this one. Now backward arrow you should keep. Okay. Now first 5 into 7. First step is what? 5 into 7. Next 5 into 3 plus 7. Next 5 into 3 plus 3. Okay. Next 5 into 9 plus 3. Next 5 into 0 plus 9. How many steps we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, because there are 6 digits. 35, 15 plus 7, 22, 15 plus 3, 18, 45 plus 3, 48, 9. Balance this 9, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. 1 will be carried here, 4, 7, 3. 3, 7, 4, 2, 8, 9. Right. So this is the way we have to calculate. Okay. I will give you some problems, you have to practice. I will give you some problems. Okay. Now practice those. 632 35 into 71 7539 into 61 8657 into 71 35829 into 41 4444 into 91 1598 into 51 9517 into 31 8745 into 91 5698 into 61 one more 6073 into 91. So total how many problems I gave? 10. So practice yourself and be perfect the method. Thank you.